Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to play your YouTube songs or videos in background while using other apps in Android and iOS. It's same process for both OS. It's frustrating when you want to play music and use other apps at the same time, but unfortunately YouTube doesn't let us do that. Like suppose I play any of these videos,
Now, some
go to
breaking
the
news in
home
the past
page.
hour or so.
It stopped playing. I can't use other apps while playing a song in YouTube. But to do that, you just have to follow these few simple steps. First of all, you need Google Chrome for that. In Android, it's already installed. If you are iOS user, you need to install Google Chrome on your device and open YouTube in Chrome browser. I'm playing a song in my Google Chrome on iOS. But when I go to the home, it stops playing. To play YouTube songs or videos, anything in background, you just have to press these three dots on the bottom of the screen. In Android, it is usually on the top right corner of the screen. So press this three dot option and click on Request Desktop Site. You guys must have remembered that using YouTube website on your desktop, you can use other apps simultaneously. So it's same here. Just request desktop site by pressing three dot buttons. Play your desired song and go to the home screen. See, it keeps on playing. It's playing on my iPhone. It's same for Android users also. This is a very simple process. Just install Google Chrome and request a desktop site of YouTube's. You can play songs and videos in background just by doing that. Thank you for watching this video.